Hello friends, welcome back to SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. This is the second part of double bearing block assembly. The base dimension is 70 by 40 and height is 25 mm. Friends, I am requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select plane, select here center rectangle, give the dimension 70, tab 40, finish sketch, extrude up to 12.5 mm. Next there is a diameter 25 circle. The surface sketch, select circle, give the pitch is 35 mm. From the center 35 by 2. Select this and select the horizontal constraint. So sketch is fully defined. Select project geometry, select the surface. So finish sketch, extrude, select this and this, reverse direction, only 5 mm depth. Okay. Select the surface, sketch, create dia 15 circle. This side also. Okay, select here this point and think we need to give the pitch 35 by 2 here to here. Okay, finish sketch, select extruded cut through hull. Okay. Next select this extrusion, select mirror about center plane. Okay. Next there are 6 holes on the tops. Select point, give the dimension here to here 15, here to here 15.15 divided by 2, which is 60 mm, here to here 30. Give the horizontal constraints. Next give the vertical constraints. Sketch is fully constrained. So finish sketch, select hole diameter is 4.5 mm, select clearance hole, give ISO M4, hole we required through. Okay. Save the part as a cap. So assign the material stainless steel, so you can assign some color here. So we can change the color. So that's it, friends. You can compare both the drawings. All the features are completed. If anything is missing or wrong, please leave the comment below. And also once again requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more like these videos. Thanks for watching this session, friends.